Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create Minecraft plugins. First, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is essential for Java programming. Next, choose an integrated development environment like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse to write and manage your code. Finally, download the Spigot or Paperserver JAR file to use as your project's dependency. Now, let's set up your project. Start by creating a new Maven or Gradle project in your IDE. Then, add the Spigot or Paperserver JAR file as a dependency to your project. This allows your code to interact with the Minecraft Server API. Next, create your main plugin class, which must extend Java plugin. Finally, create a plugin. IML file in your resources folder to define your plugin's name, version, and main class. Beyond events, daily activities and special offers are excellent sources for gold bricks. Make sure to complete your daily quests and claim login bonuses, as these often provide a small but consistent stream of bricks. Additionally, keep an eye on the in-game shop for limited-time bundles or special offers that include gold bricks. In some games, like Road to Survival, you might find them in a gray market section, allowing you to acquire your first S-Class character with 10 gold bricks. Finally, let's compile and test your plugin. Use your build tool, Maven or Gradle, to compile your project into a single JAR file. This JAR file is your completed plugin. Place this JAR file into the plugins folder of your Minecraft server. Start your server, and your plugin should load automatically. Test its functionality thoroughly in-game and check the server console for any error messages or debugging output.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.